Next topic of first chapter introduction is the pharmaceutical management. What is the pharmaceutical management? Definition. First of all, definition is the word management denotes the process of conducting and managing various business activities. Means all the business activity managed by the management of pharmaceutical management, means the directing, controlling, staffing, all the activity are involved in the management. Management means pharmaceutical management. First is definition. Second is the level of management. There is three level of management. First is the top level, middle level, and lower level management. Top level management. In the top level management is the consist of the board of director and managing director of a company. Means the all the board of directors 3, 4, 5 are the top management level, and their function is the laying down the overall objective and board policies of the enterprise. Means the conduct the all the policies of the company of to the all the staff. And the second is organizing the business into various departments and divisions. Means the all the industries, for example, industry is the organize the various departments. For example, in industry, the quality assurance, quality control, production, packaging, labeling are the department or division are separate out by the role of the board of director. Next is the appointment the department manager. Means the production department manager, QA manager, QC manager, quality control, quality assurance manager, appointing by the board of director. Then the second level of management is the middle level management. It generally consists of head of departments. Means the managers, they are responsible to the top management for the efficient functioning of their department. It is recruited by the director of a organization. Means the QA manager is in the middle level management. It is reported the all the work to the head of, means the director. Then the lower level management, it is also known as a supervisory management, because it is the directing concur with the director of the performance. It is in the manager. Next level is the supervisor. Supervisor means the head of worker. It is the supervisor. It is in the lower level management. Their function is the planning to day by day work. Their target, their goals are achieved by day. This is target are achieved in this day, in hours. Assigning the job to ensure order and assigning the job to the worker. Then the supervising and guiding worker. Importance of management is to help reduce the cost of production and increase the output. Cost of production is reduced in the management system and increase the output. Second is it helps the make stable and progressive growth of the management organization in the changing environment. Means in management system, systematic work is involved and the growth of organization is increases. Third is it helps to maintain the discipline in our organization. Then in this chart there is a view of the management level of management. The first is board of directors, second is department head, branch manager, third is supervisor or superintendent, sales are there. Look this image. Then next is the function of management. First function is planning. Planning aims at achieving the desired results. Planning means the achieve these results in a orderly manner. It increases the economy and efficiency of minimizing the random action. For example, starting a pharmaceutical industry, there is a following problem. What is the first problem in opening the industry is the selection of proper site, location. Then the item to be manufacturing, obtaining the license of the industry, arranging necessary finance to starting the business, loan or finance. Then the sales of goods manufactured by the factory. All the planning are involved in the first function of the management is the planning, to plan all the arrangements or sites all there. Then the organize means the organizing means the organization means a group of people contributing their efforts towards the attainment of certain common objective. Establishing a relationship to enable coordination of the individual efforts to fulfill the objective of the enterprise. Means the organizing all the aims, all the goals to the industry. First process in the organizing identify the activity necessary to achieve the objective. All the activity necessary to achieve the objective is prepared. Then grouping the activity in manageable individual means all the separate out the each individual to the assigning their individual work, assigning duty to the individual worker or individual person in the organizing. Then the delegating necessary authority to individual, fixing and responsibility for this, or means to give the any departmental responsibility or their sectional responsibility to the any person. Then the define authority, responsibility relationship among individual. Then the next is the look at the function of management, the coordinating, planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. Staffing means the right person should be selected for right type of job, means this person is working only QA or this person is only work in the QC department, for example. Staffing consists of the participation, training, compensation, counseling of the staff of the organization, manpower planning that determine the number and quality of employee required in an organization. Means all the staff recruitment are section are involved in the staffing, recruitment, selection, placement, employee salary, their training, all the level or all the information are involved in the staffing section. Then directing means the direct involves the issuing order and instruction, motivating and leading subordinates are of the organization or employee. Following ways by issuing of order and instruction, by guiding and teaching the subordinates as regards the proper method of work, supervising the subordinates to ensure that their performance conform to the laid down standard. Means to give the order to the next level employees or next level manager level in this directing. Then controlling means the step taken to ensure that the performance of the organization conform to the plan so that predetermined plan objective are achieved. For example, area manager are the pressure out of our director board of director to achieve the goal. What is the control? Area manager control over the medical representative means MR to sales or do a regular meeting to the MR to give the or to achieve the goal, means the controlling over the next level management. Then coordinating means coordination between the employees, coordination between the departments to the part of management of the function of management. This is the pharmaceutical management, very easy topic. Any question you can talk in the WhatsApp group. Thank you.